In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mask in the Lightroom mobile app. Masking lets you make precise, local adjustments to specific parts of a photo without changing the whole image, and it's the key to polished, professional results right on your phone. Start by opening Lightroom on your mobile device. If you're prompted to sign in, do that so your edits sync and your tools are available. From your library, tap the photo you want to edit. This works with both JPEGs and RAW files, so choose whatever you're working on. Along the bottom toolbar, tap the masking icon. It looks like a small circle with a dashed outline. Then tap the blue plus button to add your first mask. A menu will appear with options for how to create your selection. If you have access to the premium AI tools, try Select Subject, Select Sky, or Select Background. Lightroom will analyze the image and highlight the chosen area with a red overlay. This preview shows exactly what will be affected by your edits, so take a moment to check the edges and make sure the selection looks clean. Prefer to work manually or using the free options? Choose Brush, Linear Gradient, or Radial Gradient. With Brush, paint directly over the areas you want to adjust. Pinch to zoom for accuracy and use lighter strokes for smoother blends. Linear Gradient creates a fade you can drag across a scene, perfect for darkening a bright sky or brightening a foreground. Radial Gradient makes a circular or oval adjustment, great for brightening a face or creating a subtle vignette. If the selection isn't perfect, refine it. On the active mask, tap Add to include more areas with any tool, like the brush. Tap Subtract to remove parts you don't want affected. And if you realize you need the opposite area, long press the mask thumbnail and choose Invert Mask to flip the selection, turning a subject selection into a background or vice versa. Once your selection is in place and you see the red overlay, start adjusting. Use the same editing sliders you know from global edits, but now they apply only inside the mask. In light, adjust exposure and highlights to balance brightness. In color, fine-tune temperature and tint for warmth or coolness. In effects, try clarity, texture, or dehaze for extra detail and punch. Subtle, incremental moves usually look the most natural. When you're happy with the result, tap the check mark in the top right to save your localized edits. You can always reopen the masking panel later to refine or add more masks as you build your look. That's the power of masking on mobile. Precise control exactly where you want it.